End of an era as the oldest working signal box in Cornwall prepares to close this spring. Dating from 1879, the building at Parr is being shut, along with others at Lostwithiel and Truro. Network Rail is installing digital signals instead. John Henderson managed to have a peek around a moving piece of history.
The old and the new. An intercity express train bristling with technology arrives at Truro. Every train movement controlled from somewhere more traditional.
This box was built in 1899.
And it's hands-on work.
Ready for our next cross. So these are the point levers going back. These are the points at either end of the loop at Penryn.
This is old school, the way it's been done for years, but in a few months, the tactile nature of safely controlling trains here will cease. The signals are going digital.
There's an awful lot of stuff here that we have to push back and pull for each train. That will be eventually done automatically at Exeter as we get further into 2024. But in the interim, the sequence of John and myself pulling 5 levers will be replaced by 2 clicks of a mouse. So things are going to change beyond belief.
Many will find this place beautiful. The levers, the dials, the switches are a throwback to a different way of working. Even the communication system is reassuringly mechanical.
There are about 10 to 12 different codes that you can send for different trains. Freight trains have a different code to passenger trains, but the 3-1, that designates the fact that it's a stopping local train, as opposed to an intercity express, which would be 4 bells. Each train's got its own unique bell code description.
The signal boxes at Lostwithiel and Parr are also being taken out of service. Both buildings have been listed. Why is Parr being listed? Well, the reason for that is it's the oldest signal box in Cornwall, and it also dealt with trains that ran on the broad gauge system. The fate of Truro's signal box has yet to be decided. Other than soon, this will be a thing of the past.
We'll all miss it. Signal box closures have been a thing really since the end of the Second World War, where modernisation has taken over. So yeah, it'll be a shame to see it go, but I think we should celebrate it rather than feel downbeat.
John Henderson, BBC Spotlight, Truro signal box.
Definitely the end of an era there. Right, it's time for the weather.